Hi, my name's Kevin Brown with Parkside Kia, and this is the redesigned 2026 Kia Sportage. You'll notice from 25 to 26, front grille, upgrade change, headlights. Also, this is a brand new color for 2026 called Heritage Blue, which looks really sharp. Different design pattern wheels for the 2026 year. Also on the inside, you'll notice that there is a redesigned interior, different style steering wheel. This particular trim level is the SX Prestige. One of the things you'll notice is on the interior is the seat pattern change and the two-tone with the synthetic leather and race cloth. Plenty of cargo space in the Kia Sportage. Another cool feature too is you're from back here able to fold seats down so that they lay flat, which is great. And you also have a car charging port back here. One of the things I love about the Sportage is how comfortable they've made it for backseat passengers. The back seats actually recline, so you can recline back to relax. If you have someone a little bit taller, creates a little bit more space for them. You also have a little handle here. You can put a purse here. You can also have it so this way you have two places to hold on to. You can plug in your devices like your phone and have it charging. I've got my own direct air vents here as well. And on this package, having the panoramic sunroof, as I'm sitting here, I have a lot of glass. I don't feel like I'm closed in. It's very a lot of natural light, very spacious and very comfortable. Now we're up front. Some of my favorite features up front are simple and some of it's technology. So some of the things I love about what Kia has done is there's a place for my keys, there's a place for my sunglasses, there's a place for my drink. And as silly as it sounds, these cup holders, someone really thought about it. I can get a Gatorade, a mixer bottle, a Stanley, a Big Gulp. I can get a can of Red Bull, a small coffee cup. Very simple, but very smart design. There's actually a wireless charging spot here for my phone. I can also plug it into the Sportage. So I have two charging ports, and then I can also select it to where it charges and connects to the vehicle. So just a couple fun things that are planned out very well. In this particular trim level, we have the ventilated seats on, there's heated seats, heating steering wheel, we have a great infotainment center screen. But I love the idea of the thought out storage. Everyone's gonna get into a car, you're gonna probably have a phone, something to drink, your keys and sunglasses, and not everyone is creating spots to put those things. If you'd like to stop by and see the new 2026 Kia Sportage yourself in person, take it for a test drive, stop by. Monday through Saturday, we're here from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Feel free to reach out, give us a call, schedule an appointment for a test drive, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and let us know if you have any questions.